All right, y'all, we are at this Carmi, or not Carmi, but it's 4th of July parade. And my boy Rex got cars pulling up. Go check them out. Here they go. You think Rex is, oh, Rex is in that. Look at Rex. We're gonna get a close up on these in a second, but y'all get to see. Oh shit, my boy Chicago car guy here. And then they got the Ferrari. But everybody going over that speed bump right now, bro. And then golf cart. Is that an A-Spec? All right, so today we get to get the fuck out of my car, bro. We get to drive a Maserati, okay, guys? So, you see that guy right there? We're stealing his car today. This is our Maserati now, bro. Y'all see it? What does any of this do? Do y'all know? And then the carbon fiber accents, the clock. You know it's luxury if it has a clock. See this thing right here? Oh my god, this is the first time I'm seeing this in person. I don't want to hit nobody's car. Y'all see Scott's Ball? This mug is sick, bro. What y'all think? Would y'all do this? Would y'all spray paint your car? Yeah, I know I got the spray painted Miata at the crib. Rex told me I couldn't bring my Miata, so, you know, I did it. This thing's sexy, though. And a different color wheels. Donut. You brought the details? Here. I'm glazing a little bit, but hey, if y'all know, this guy has always been in my videos ever since he had his C63, so hey, been around. Hey guys, you see the GCR? Ooh, this look nice. Hold on, I'm gonna take some like real good videos and pictures of these things in a second, y'all, but this video, or whatever, is about to be over with. Right now, y'all hear the drumline 8. Hey, y'all think they for the battle? They for the battle, bro. Did they do a battle? What y'all think? Alright, we finna walk around this thing. We finna walk around the cars. So boom, we got one cart, bro. This motherfucker got slicks. Oh my, hey, the color on these rims. Oh my good, hey, this mug nice. I ain't gonna lie. I ain't gonna hold you. This mug is nice and situated. Alright, and then we got the A-Spec. The A-Spec with the wide body. I kinda like it, bro. This is what my cousin wants to do. Then we got the Ferrari. I gotta drag this on 3 minutes, y'all, because why do I have to drag? Oh, hold on. Let me get the engine. I gotta drag it on because I forgot to press the thing. Damn, Ferrari. And boom, y'all seeing this again. Boom. Yeah, I told y'all all the colors of the wheels is different. Make sure y'all subscribe to him and get him on Instagram, because that's what he used right now. But he said he was going to do a vlog. So if he does a vlog, make sure y'all check that out as well. Then we got this, bro. And I just put all the banners. I don't know if you can peep. I'm gonna do it from the front, but I just put all the banners on the car. So maybe this will be the thumbnail. Oh my god. I told you, I told you. Look. When I turn around, y'all are finna die laughing, bro. Cause the other team, they looking at them like they ready to drum. You ready? Look. Hey, yo, they ready for the drum line, bro. Hey, this gonna be a drum line, y'all. All right, but yeah, I put the banners on all these cars, y'all. That's the lineup. So y'all see it here. I'm gonna back. Calling them out. They calling them out. They calling them out.
Wait, is that who these are?
I don't know.
Is that who they are?
They're calling them out. Got it on the bands. Yeah. Why they supposed to have their drums, huh? Yeah, they gonna kill it. They done. This is not long. Move over. Oh my God. Probably. Yeah, that's hot, isn't it? Thank you. You too.
Thank you for having us.
Happy New Year. Y'all heard that? He always say Happy New Year. Like, where'd it go? Where do I go? Yeah, she doesn't know where to go. I like that color.
A lot of carbon fiber.
Yeah. It's going crazy.
Not so, they're showing off.
Literally, it go on fire. It's okay.
I thought I was going to burn my flag. Yeah.
They liking that.
Yeah.
They liking that. I need a flag to wave or something.
Yeah.
Hey.
That's You're out. Happy 4th of July.
Lambo
He's got
versus
that cylinders.
Ferrari versus Lambo.
You know he's 20 miles on it.
Yeah, I know. Yeah, he moves around.
Yeah, Rich is on.
Yeah, these things are track demons. They hook the road. Well, you take it to Autobahn?
We already covered a couple of times a year.
A couple times? Okay.
Those are not. If I gotta take something, it has to be a Porsche to the Autobahn. Let's just face it. You know, we go
Agreed.
behind a Porsche and the fucking guys like this and who live
Zero, I know, literally.
I'm lifting my score.
You're losing. Now, Porsches, are, those are set up for the track. Got those pops.
scared the kid off.
You keep scaring him.
He's safe.
Talking to the cop. Is that rabbit? There you go. You gotta wave. That's all. Got them totem pole.
It's for sale.
Get her hopes up. Here comes the rabbit.
You misfired. Try it again. This fucking guy is serious, man.
Yeah.
Fucking
I was gonna say something, but I was like, nah. He looked way too serious.
No. There's things.
I
There's
know.
times when you joke and there's times when you don't joke.
So next turning out of here. Got the fans.
If I blow a gas, it's gonna cost me $30,000.
Blow anything.
No problem.
30.
Fucking hit it.
30K. 30K out the drain. We got all the cars filling up. My boy taking off his flag.
How many pictures you take? Can you release that?
You said release something? Yeah, they close the fuck. Ferrari life.
Yeah, the cops.
I'm chilling.
Those are my body. The pickup truck. Oh, no,
Favorite
this
people.
is not the pickup truck.
Tall guy out of here. Make sure y'all get car guy before you go.
I'll go car guy.
Yes, sir.
TikTok, Instagram.
All the socials. Gotta get him before you go. That mug do look beautiful. And you see the yachter. Yes, sir. Maybe this would be my thumbnail right here. Hold on. This could be my thumbnail. That'll be my thumbnail right there. Alright, I'm out here chilling with my boy Elvir now. And he about to get his car washed. So I don't know where we're gonna go after this, but I know he about to get this automatic wash. License and registration, sir.
No, speak it.
Ice. I'm gonna call Ice on you, bro. Alright, yeah, but we out here. Look at this McLaren. That motherfucker's nice. Yeah, we got everything pulling up on this over here, boy. You got an M from Michigan. Oh my goodness. Alright, we finna go around. I'm finna restart another video because I'm gonna drag this on and I guess keep this going, y'all. Make sure. Alright, here you go. You wanna throw that out? You better hope all his windows is good. Yeah. McLaren troubles.
Those engines busted.